Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to fix the OTG not working issues on our Samsung device. So if you're having that problem, you may follow up these solutions and that should probably fix it. So one of the best and simplest solution is restarting your phone. You can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option. Just doing a restart of your device should often fix the glitches that may be happening and not connecting. Apart from that, you can go to your developer options. So go to settings and find developer options and tap on it. And you can search for option called default USB configuration. You can find it on the networking or you can directly tap on the search at the top and type in default USB configuration and then find that particular settings and tap on it. This one right here. And once you find it out, what you need to do is you just need to go over and within debugging section you can just go over and turn it on and enable it and then try connecting it again. This debug mode, when USB is connected, you need to turn on this option. And apart from this, what we can do is we can try secret code or update our software. So go to settings or the phone application first, and then within your phone application there just type in star hash and then type in 0808 and type in hash and then just hit enter and that should open up the settings. You can just go over, select the option called MTP or MTP plus ADB and save to test, and that should also work it out. And apart from that, you can update your software. You can go to your settings, scroll down, look out for the option plus update and fix the bugs. And that is it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.